Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us, our credit reports. Specifically, we're going to explore the question, can I lock or freeze my TransUnion credit report? Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're a victim of identity theft and you want to prevent someone from opening new accounts in your name. Or maybe you're just trying to protect your information from potential fraudsters. Whatever the reason, it's important to know that you have options when it comes to protecting your credit report. And one of those options is to lock or freeze it. So, let's dive into what this means and how you can do it. What is a credit freeze and how does it work? A credit freeze is a security measure that you can place on your credit report. When your credit is frozen, it prevents new creditors from accessing your information. This means that they can't check your credit score or open new accounts in your name. A credit freeze is a free service that you can get from all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can place a freeze on your credit report either online, by phone, or by mail. What are the benefits of freezing your credit report? There are a number of benefits to freezing your credit report. The most obvious benefit is that it helps to protect you from identity theft. By preventing new creditors from accessing your information, you make it more difficult for someone to open new accounts in your name. Another benefit of freezing your credit report is that it can help you to improve your credit score. When your credit report is frozen, new accounts can't be opened in your name. This means that your credit utilization ratio will stay low, which can help to boost your credit score. What are the drawbacks of freezing your credit report? There are also some drawbacks to freezing your credit report. The biggest drawback is that it can make it difficult to get new credit. If you need to apply for a new credit card or loan, you'll need to temporarily lift the freeze on your credit report. Another drawback is that a credit freeze can make it difficult to rent an apartment or get a job. Some landlords and employers may check your credit report as part of their background check. So, should you freeze your credit report? The decision of whether or not to freeze your credit report is a personal one. There are pros and cons to both sides. If you're concerned about identity theft, it may be a good idea to freeze your credit report. However, if you need to be able to get new credit, you may want to avoid freezing your credit report. Ultimately, the best way to decide whether or not to freeze your credit report is to weigh the pros and cons and decide what's best for you. How to freeze your TransUnion credit report. If you decide to freeze your credit report, here's how to do it. Go to the TransUnion website. Click on the Freeze or Thaw Your Credit link. Enter your personal information. Create a PIN. Confirm your information. Once you have frozen your credit report, you will receive a confirmation number. You will need this number to unfreeze your credit report in the future. How to unfreeze your TransUnion credit report. If you need to unfreeze your TransUnion credit report, you can do so online, by phone, or by mail. You will need to provide your confirmation number and your PIN. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when freezing your credit report. You can freeze your credit report for free. You can freeze your credit report for as long as you want. You can unfreeze your credit report at any time. You can freeze your credit report for each of the three major credit bureaus. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.